Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to my channel, and then in this video tutorial we will learn guys on how to create a program using bash shell programming to accept three numbers from our user, and then our program will compute the average of three numbers. Before we continue, thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please hit the notification bell, click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now, I am here in my Nano text editor. So we have here the first command is clear, to clear the screen in macos. Printf \t, the title of our program, average of three numbers in bash. And then we have here printf double new line. And then we have here echo, give first number, and then read a, variable a, the first input value from our user, and then echo give the second number, read variable b, and then the third is give third number, read variable c, and then we have here some variable that will act as assignment statement equals single quotation expression $a plus $b plus $c, single quotation. And then we have also here average, single quotation expression $sum slash for division in 3, printf \new line, and then we have here the output, the echo, the total sum is $sum, double quotation, and then printf \n new line, and then echo, double quotation, the average is $average dot double quotation, and then printf to \n. After we have done, the next step that we'll do guys is to save our work, Ctrl O, and then Ctrl X to exit in our Nano text editor. Clear the screen, and then we will issue a command bash space average dot sh. Enter first value, let's say for example we have 78, second value 82, and then we have also 84. So the total sum is 244, the average is 81. Let us run again. Let's say for example we have 90, first value, second value 90, third value will be also 90. So we will learn that the average will be correct if the average is 90 also. The total sum is 270, the average is 90. For the third time, let's run the code. 91, 88 for second number, and then for the third we have here 84. So the total sum is 263, the average is 87. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create an average of three numbers using bash scripting language or Bourne Again Shell. Thank you very much for watching guys. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Please support my channel by clicking the notification bell, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Until the next video tutorial guys, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Bye bye for now.